Good morning. It's Sunday, 14th of December 2008. This is Bob Shannon, bobshannon.org. We had started out yesterday by trying to make a funny clip of the heavy snow. And when I woke up this morning, it wasn't really funny. The wind has been blowing all night. Yesterday it took a little while for our new maintenance man to get his salt out on the sidewalks, but he did a real good job, and he was out there working for quite a bit of the day. It started snowing sometime around noon, and we got between 2 and 4 inches depending on where you're at, but then of course the cold came through, and last night as I was sleeping I could hear the wind howling out the window. As a matter of fact, I can still hear it as we're talking here. And it was down to 1 degree below zero when I woke up at 6 o'clock, and the water's frozen in the apartment. So I went out to TJ's Chevron, tried to get some water. He was closed. I went to the Cheney Trading Company. I picked up 3 gallons of water. They had those little water dispensers. I was always happy to have those things. You know, up in the wilderness, when we had to survive with these types of things all the time, we heated with wood, and gosh knows what would happen if we lose electricity out here, because it's supposed to go down to well below zero, maybe 15, 16 degrees is what the official experts are saying. We'll just have to see. But we'll keep in touch with you guys, and you folks up there in the wilderness, you're sure not going to have to worry. You're much better prepared than these city folks are, and that includes me. I really didn't think we were going to have a problem. So I'll try and keep reports updated to you, and hope you enjoy the little clips here. Haha. Merry Christmas. Bob Shannon, bobshannon.org.
No. Please. No. Please. No. Please. No.